No one likes a boardroom bully boy, do they? Especially if that boardroom bully boy comes from the outside. Well, today it's the second time this month that that's happened. This time, insurance company AVIVA plc, one of the largest insurance companies in the UK that was founded 20 years ago when three giants merged, they were Commercial Union, General Accident and Norwich Union, has been under attack by Swedish hedge fund Sevian Capital, which has taken a stake in the company. Now, that's normal, you might say. Hedge funds do that all the time, but this particular hedge fund is what they call an activist investor. And an activist investor is really a polite way of saying an external company that comes in to try to disrupt the boardroom and oust some of the senior management. They use reasons such as poor performance and so forth, but Ms. Blanc's performance has been right on course. The company has done very, very well. Ever since the first lockdown in March 2020, when the shares of the company absolutely collapsed, it's been building steadily, so much so that actually by the close of business yesterday, AVIVA stock was at its highest point since 2018. But this morning, it went down. Seems strange, doesn't it? Well, the reason is that as the announcement of Sevian Capital taking the stake in the company came to light, shares went up by just over 2%. It's a positive thing when people invest in a big company, especially if they are a seasoned hedge fund and they know what they're doing. But this morning, the real reason why Sevian Capital came into the public domain, and that is that they are looking to take control and oust the CEO. Now, if that happens, it causes some level of instability, and shares have gone down by 1.71 points this morning. So that's the second time that this has happened, and it's a lady CEO. Her name is Amanda Blanc, and she's been doing very, very well. She's certainly on course to take the company to where it's supposed to be according to what she's supposed to carry out. However, the very clever outside influence from Sevian Capital, which has now become very much an inside influence, has set some unreasonable targets for her. Second time this has happened this month. Last time, 2 or 3 weeks ago, GlaxoSmithKline, the large pharmaceutical company, came under attack by Elliott Management, which is another fund that has actually worked with Sevian Capital in the past. They look to unseat their CEO. That's two lady CEOs of two very large companies. The ladies only make up 6. There are 6 of them in the whole of the FTSE 100 listed companies, leading just 6 out of 100 companies. If these outside vultures get their way, that could easily go down to 4. Not good for inclusivity, and certainly not good for share prices.